In this series, we explore how hormones impact women's health and fitness, empowering you to make informed choices for your well-being. Today, in our third episode of the series, we are diving into a really important topic, postpartum physical recovery and exercise guidelines. Whether you've had a vaginal birth or a C-section, getting back into the movement after childbirth can help your recovery and overall well-being. But it's crucial to approach it with care and patience. Let's break down what you can do after an uncomplicated vaginal birth and a C-section, as well as tips for transitioning into strength training safely. Postpartum recovery after vaginal birth. For most women, walking is one of the safest and easiest way to start getting back into movement post-birth. Right after an uncomplicated vaginal delivery, you can start with medium-paced walks as soon as you feel ready. These walks help with circulation and gently reintroduce activity into your day. As your strength returns, you can increase both the pace and the duration of your walks. Another important exercise you can start immediately is pelvic floor breathing and engaging your transverse abdominis, which is the deepest muscle in the abdomen. These movements help rebuild strength in your core and pelvic area. But remember, if they cause pain or discomfort, it's okay to stop and try again after a day or two. In the first few weeks postpartum, keep your focus on light household activities like walking around the house or doing simple tasks. These small movements keep your body active without putting too much strain on it. After about 3 weeks, you can start incorporating body weight exercises like squats or lunges, but keep them low intensity and always listen to how your body feels. If you have a perineal tear or stitches, once your gynecologist clears you, consider doing perineal scar massage. This can help improve healing and reduce the risk of scar tissue discomfort. Postpartum recovery after a C-section. Recovery after a C-section follows a similar pattern and requires extra caution due to the abdominal incision. When you feel ready, begin with mid-paced walks on flat surfaces. Early movement is critical after a C-section as walking can reduce the risk of blood clots, improve circulation, and stimulate your digestive system, which can help prevent postpartum constipation. In the first few days after surgery, you can start practicing breathing exercises to reconnect with your pelvic floor muscles. Gentle breathing movements help improve core function without putting strain on the incision site. It's important to avoid lifting anything heavy for the first 6 weeks, especially from the floor. Things like full buckets, for example. Lifting heavy objects too soon could cause pain or stress on your incision. So take it slow and always lift with caution. Once your incision has healed and you've received clearance from your gynecologist, you can begin light scar massage to help break up scar tissue and improve mobility around the incision. Transitioning to strength training. Whether you had a vaginal birth or a C-section, strength training can be a valuable part of your recovery. But it's crucial to take things slowly and safely. When you feel ready and have received clearance from the gynecologist, begin by performing light exercises that feel comfortable, such as bodyweight squats, glute bridges, or gentle push-ups. Progressively increase the weight or intensity, but listen to your body. There's no rush. It's important to remember that no matter how fit or active you were before the pregnancy, your postpartum body is a fresh start. Be kind to yourself and take your time reintroducing exercise. If you notice any pelvic floor dysfunction such as pelvic pain, urinary incontinence, or diastasis recti, it's a good idea to see a pelvic floor physiotherapist before continuing your workouts. For women with diastasis recti, if the separation is less than or equal to 2 fingers in width, you may benefit from doing specific rehab exercises at home. Focus on the movement that help rebuild the core muscles while avoiding exercises that increase the intra-abdominal pressure, which can make the separation worse. Key points to remember. Post-vaginal birth, start with walking, breathing exercise, and light household chores. Gradually introduce body weight movements. Post C-section, begin walking early. Avoid heavy lifting for 6 weeks and practice breathing exercises. Scar massage can be introduced once cleared by your doctor. Strength training readiness. Always get gynecologist clearance, progress slowly, and consult a pelvic floor physiotherapist if you experience any dysfunction. Postpartum recovery is a journey that takes time, patience, and care. Don't rush back into strenuous activities and always listen to your body. This phase is all about healing and rebuilding strength, so give yourself grace. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on our next episode. We'll be diving into more topics in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. And remember, every woman's journey is unique. Embrace yours.